welcome back to DC, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal in the Washington DC office with Natural Transplants. We got Marc today. Marc, welcome, man. You're local in the DMV area. Appreciate you coming in today. Appreciate you sharing your story with everybody. If you wouldn't mind telling everybody why you're here and how you found us.
Sure. I'm Marc from Washington DC, and I found you on Google. So I did my research, and initially I was going to do Turkey, but I did some research, and I came here about 2 months ago for a consultation, and I was pretty impressed by your experience and everything that you told me about it, and I decided to go with you.
Awesome. And so today we're going to be working on your hairline.
Correct.
Right? Okay. So you can kind of tell where his hairline used to be, about a finger or so below where it is now, and the corners have recessed a little bit more. So we're going to be basically just filling it in. The line's already there for us, basically, which is great. And then we're also going to add some exosomes up in the top. So I'm going to spin you around, and I'm going to have you look up towards the ceiling for me, Marc. There you go. So you can tell he still has a decent amount of hair there. In my opinion, I think it's still a little too thick to do a transplant, although you can make an argument to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some exosome injections kind of in this area right here. It'll be the first of 3. They're about a month apart, and hopefully that will do the trick as opposed to doing a hair transplant. And so that'll be exciting to see. Cool. You ready for this?
Listen, I am ready to bring me back to my new self and get my confidence back.
Love it, man. I appreciate you trusting us, and I look forward to it. All right, we'll draw out the line, and then we'll check in with you in a few. Okay, awesome. All right, we are back with Marc, and as you can tell, we have just basically traced the line he had. It was pretty easy. It sort of gave it to us, but we're going to fill in the corners, fill in all those areas. And then we marked 2 areas, kind of the front third, and then back in the crown that we're going to put the exosomes in at the same time today. So today will be the first injection of 3. Got a couple Valium on board. You feeling all right? You ready for this?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. All right, we are done, Marc. Congratulations, man. Tell everybody how the day went.
I was pretty much very nervous.
Yeah.
But, you helped me out.
You're smiling. It's the first time I've seen you smile all day. It was good.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, you smiled with the gas. You had the laughing gas. You did smile a little bit.
Yeah. What really helped? I mean, at the beginning, like the injections to numb the scar was kind of like, oh my God.
It's not
but
fun.
After that, I couldn't feel anything.
Good.
I fell asleep. I was
Good.
watching TV. So
Yeah.
it was a very relaxful
Good.
moment.
Awesome. Excellent. Was it as bad as you thought it was going to be? Let's put it that way.
No, because I saw a lot of videos and pictures. So
yeah.
I didn't know. I don't know. I didn't expect the worst.
Yeah.
But this was way better.
Good.
Than what
I try to tell that to people, but it's hard to convince someone ahead of time until you get through it. But most people, they say it really wasn't that big a deal,
And I mean, I'll be here 8 hours now, but I couldn't feel it.
Yeah. Good.
Falling asleep and watching
Love
TV,
it.
was
Love it, man. That's what we like to hear. Well, I am ecstatic. I'm going to zoom in just so we can kind of see the work up here. We really just packed it in all through that front. Gave yourself a new hairline. I love it. Looks fantastic. Thank you so much for doing this. Any words of advice of anybody out there kind of like thinking about it? What would you tell them?
Hey, come check out Natural Transplants. Even a consultation might take you a long way. You know. And
can't hurt.
For me personally, I like doing it in person versus on video. So the doctors can actually look at it physically. Some videos, there's some limitation with that. Yeah. So that's why I prefer it.
Yeah. And also you can see the office and make sure you're comfortable with that sort of stuff. Yeah. Awesome, man. Thank you so much for doing this. Welcome to the family. And hopefully we'll see in a year. Hopefully we'll check back in with you in a year and see the results.
Absolutely.
All right. Take care.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.